Students, good morning to you all. Myself Rita Pandey. Once again, I welcome you on my YouTube channel. My dear children, as you know that it is my second video, and in this video we will do discussion about the topic about what are the main features of India. Yes, students, as we know that first chapter motherland is not completed, so we have to complete the chapter first, and after that we will do question answer. So the rest of the topic is what are the main features of India? What students? What are the main features of India? So students, we all know that India has 29 states. How many? India has 29 states and 7 union territory. So students, the land surface of India varies from region to region, and it has high, what students? It has high mountain, plateaus, hills, extensive plains and deserts. And one thing more children, you about know that the climate and natural vegetation, what? The climate and natural vegetation of each physical division also differ. And students, one of the most important thing that you should know that India is known as for its unity despite its strengths and diversity. Which one is known as our India? What students? Our India. So our India is known as for its unity, despite its reach and diversity. And so according to upon its physical feature, on the basis of the physical feature, climates, natural vegetation, and the way of living of the people, India can be divided into the 5 physical division. What students? 5 physical division. So what are the 5 physical division? If you know the answer, students, then you have to write the answer in the comment box. So I am going to tell you about that. What are the main 5 physical division? Okay. So first one is northern mountains, second one is northern plains, third one is western desert, fourth is southern plateaus, and fifth one is the coastal plains and island. What students? Coastal plains and islands. So students, one question arises in our mind that at first you tell me that who was the first PM of independent India? That is the very simple thing. So students, I know that you know about that. Who was the first PM of independent India? If you know the answer, students, then do hurry up and you have to write the answer in the comment box. Okay students, now Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first PM of independent India. Okay students, now we will do discussion about key things that are related to from the features of India, that is the landform, plateaus and peninsula. What? Landform, plateaus and peninsula. So what is landform? You should know that what is landform. So we know that about a landform, what it is a natural feature of a land surface. It means it is a feature about a land surface that is surrounded, and plateaus, it means land with a large flat top arises from which what? Plateaus means land with a large flat top which arises abruptly from the surrounding areas. And the third point is about the peninsula. What is peninsula? If you know the answer, then you have to write the answer. That is the very simple thing about that. I think so that you have studied in standard third about the peninsula. Students, large area of land surrounded by water on the 3 sides. First, second, third, it means 3 sides. It means it is a large area of a land surrounded by water on the 3 sides. Okay students, now it means main feature of India is completed, and we have learned about that there are India has 29 states and 7 union territory. Now students, what are the main things that you have to keep in mind? It means what you have learned from this chapter. So at first, before explaining this all about, I am going to tell you about some national symbol. What a national symbol of India. So just see here students, these are the some clues about that national symbol. You can see here about the national symbol, and it is war flag, tricolor, anthem Jana Gana Mana, animals Royal Bengal tiger, and here sports hockey and river Ganga. So by this it means it has been clear about that flag denotes about the tricolor. It means flag symbol tricolor, here anthem Jana Gana Mana and animals Royal Bengal tiger, and sports is what? Hockey, and river what? Ganga. Okay students, now the symbol, it means there are also the symbol you have to learn it about. It's not possible to write all the things here. So flag, tricolor, anthem Jana Gana Mana, animal Royal Bengal tiger, aquatic animal dolphin, trees banyan, sport hockey, river Ganga. So students, now one thing, what flower you know? Lotus. So what you have learned from the chapter about our motherland India? What are the most important things that you have learned? The main points that you have to keep in your mind, that what India lies in the southern central part of continent of Asia. What friends? India lies in the southern central part of the continent of Asia. And you have to also learn that what friends, you have to also learn about that India is the seventh largest country area wise. What? India is the seventh largest country area wise and the second most populous country of the world. What? Second most populous country of the world. And the third, it is most important things that you have to keep in mind about that. On the basis of physical feature, 5 major physical division of India can be recognized, like the northern mountains, northern plains, western desert, peninsular plateaus. Okay students, now this means your chapter is completed, and if you have any confusion, then I have already told you about that. If you have any confusion, if you have any language problem, you are not understanding the chapter more clearly, then you may write your comments in the comment box without hesitation. It means if you are unable to understand this topic, then I will explain all the topic one by one in Hindi. Okay students, in the next video we will do question answer, multiple choice question answer, short type question answer, and I will also give you one more important information in the next video. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks. Have a grateful and wonderful day. Thank you so much.